Check, 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 check. What's going on, people? Shell Black, how you doing? You want me to sell gold already? NFP's in about 15 minutes. You want me to blow the account? Come on. Ivo, yeah, I just quickly whipped up that thumbnail now. I'm not the best at making thumbnails, bro, but I'm gonna get there. I need to put more effort on thumbnails and all that type of stuff. Archie, how you doing, bro? Theo, what's up, what's up, what's up? You know what? What's up, Peter? You know what? A full-on storm just sparked right here in Manila. So like about 15 minutes ago, crazy thunder, crazy rain. So hopefully this internet connection is gonna stay stable. Oz, how you doing, bro? Archie, you don't want to trade? Come on, man. It's NFP time. It's the casino's open. No, I'm just playing. So basically, I haven't actually, honestly guys, I haven't actually looked at the charts today. After yesterday, yeah, just had to, I didn't want to trade London session because after yesterday, I don't know if who was here, but I was hesitating to take it short here, and I had to watch this. I had to watch this move just escaped me. So I didn't want to come into London session feeling like I had to do something. But so I haven't been like super locked into the charts today, but NFP in about 13 minutes. And as always, I'm on the sidelines until we see an impulse, until we see something. So the first 5-10 minutes, I'm not gonna execute a trade. It is a quick little flip, but still not gonna like gamble for no reason. We gotta find a good setup. Do you know what I mean? Dino, Ken, ES Joe, everybody's telling me to sell gold, buy gold. We ain't even started yet, bro. Yes, Ishak. Casino is open in about 30 minutes. Get your chips ready. Nah, I'm playing. Matt, I also have a YouTube channel where you post content and have over 2k subs, but I've seen how much channel has grown with these lives. Would you say it's the best way to grow? Could be. It has grown quite a bit since I picked it back up a month ago, about 3 weeks now. So I would say, yeah, definitely. I would say maybe the last 2 videos that I done helped the channel probably grow more for some reason. But yeah, if you're thinking about going live, I think for me, it's more of, it's going to make me a better trader. It's going to make me a better trader. It's going to make me more patient. It's going to make me think out my moves more. It's going to hold me accountable. That's really my intention for going live. And I'm enjoying it right now. So I would recommend it. And I'm glad that I started going live, to be fair. But yeah, for channel growth, it seems to be picking up. But I would say it's probably the last couple videos that got a lot of views. Probably grew the channel more in terms of like subs. And then brought people to the lives maybe. But whatever numbers you get, whatever numbers we get, like we shouldn't even watch that. We should just like do it because we enjoy it and do it because it helps us as traders. Do you know what I mean? So that's really where I'm going with it. But yeah, recommend it. I'll check out your channel. Everybody check out his channel as well. Shell Black, don't buy gold. You told Shell Black, did you tell me to sell gold? You told me to sell gold. Now you're saying, okay, now you're saying don't buy gold. You're saying sell. All right. Halim, anybody trade with Ascendex? Trade with IC Markets. You know what? I wish I got an IC Markets account because this account, it's a UK broker. It's smaller, regulated everything. But I wanted to trade on TradingView. But I realized that this has got quite small leverage. So it's not, I think it's really big leverage, and I don't want a big leverage, but I think I've only got 1 to 30 leverage on currencies, 1 to 20 leverage on gold and US 500. But anyway, maybe that's a good thing. Maybe you still need to give yourself a bit of room during NFP. But yeah, I haven't been trading today. I'm probably going to leave the FTMO account alone today. Yeah, just off the back of yesterday, like I realized I've been dealing with this. I've struggled to get confident in the last 3 weeks, and execute and hesitating, and when I missed out on this opportunity, I was so pissed off yesterday. And then I forgot about my GU trade, which I ended up breaking even on, mismanaging, because all I cared about was like looking at this. Oh my god, I need to get short. Kept on going, and it's like I should have executed when the trade idea was there. Do you know what I mean? And then bam. But it is what it is. So today I haven't actually been trading yet. So fresh eyes on the market. And we're just going to see what develops. We're going to see what develops in terms of a setup. Maybe NFP is going to be... Can you guys see the lightning in the background? Like, it's just flashing. It's going mad. The rain outside. But yeah, NFP might not be as volatile as we think. Possibly, but we had some serious moves in the market yesterday. On gold, tapping into all-time highs on futures. Might even be tapping. Did it tap into all-time highs today, guys? Not quite. So we're not quite there yet on spot, but yeah, tapped into all-time highs on futures. So yeah, it might not be as volatile as we could expect. We've had big moves already in the markets, but we'll see. We just got to stay ready and observe. Hey Sebastian, how you doing? Glad you're here hanging out with us. Filio, how you doing, bro? Glad to see you here. Glad to see you hanging out. G10, what's your bet, long or short? G10, I've just put my eyes on the market literally as soon as I sparked up this stream, because I haven't been trading today. We're going to see what happens. We're going to see how the market develops. And it's not about impulse long or short. Before NFP, no one really knows. Do you know what I mean? We're not meant to trade before the NFP. We're meant to see what sets up after. But of course, I mean, what do you guys think? Should I do a poll? Should we? Nah. Let's not gamble it. Because if I actually was doing my analysis before I started the stream and had a trade idea, maybe I would have betted on a direction. But still, we're gonna see what sets up. Vivian, showtime. We're ready to go. So I might be leaving the FTMO account alone. But if something solid sets up, then I might trade it. But I just thought, let me just leave it alone after yesterday. We didn't take any losses yesterday. I managed to get out break even, or took a bit of a loss on GU. I mismanaged this trade here because I was just pissed off with the SP 500 and letting that move get away from me. But 5 minutes, guys. Is anybody managing any trades? What's the risk on the account flip? The whole thing, brother. The whole thing. The whole thing's going to go up in smoke. One way or another. Today. You know what I mean? So the risk in the whole thing. But the thing is, I don't have much leverage. And maybe I should have opened IC markets because they got more leverage. But I wanted to do it on TradingView. And this broker's got... It's a regulated broker, right? So they don't really have big leverage. They've only got 1 to 30... 1 to 30 and then 1 to 20 on gold, 1 to 20. So it's small, but anyway, we're going to see some big moves, and let's see. It's going to be a challenge. It's going to be a challenge to double it with small leverage, but we'll see. You know, it's just a bit of fun, isn't it? How much you risking per trade on this flip? Duchess, I have no idea. I need to be I'll probably try and risk 50-50 maybe. Do you know what I mean? Maybe Like I want to risk it in 3 trades, but then I've got to calculate my risk size, and I've got to make sure I calculate it right. So say if you got a standard 10 pip stop 1, then maybe like let's put 0.5 lot. I might be just trading GU just because the leverage is better. Go full margin. I don't really know how, because guys, this is like really I've traded a few in the beginning. I've traded like some small accounts for like a few weeks or whatever, but that was years ago. So yeah, I'm a bit clueless when it comes to leverage, or like when it gets down to a certain leverage, am I gonna get is it gonna close? I don't know. So we're gonna find out together, or I'm gonna find out the hard way. Like, Happy Tail, is this live? Yeah, of course, we're live. We're live. One shot, one kill, G10. Dane, how you doing, brother? Good to see you here. Yeah. It's gonna be a bit of a funny stream. But yeah, leaving the FTMO account alone today, more than likely, unless we see a really good setup. As I said, guys, I'm just putting fresh eyes onto the charts now, so your guess is as good as mine. But yeah, I haven't been trading today. I decided to take a break, and just like, I was even editing a video actually, so I should be able to get a video up on Sunday. And yeah, just took a break because I realized I was so upset about not executing short yesterday. I was so pissed off. I think you guys could see me. I was just steaming inside watching this go without me. Do you know what I mean? And I thought, nah, I can't trade today, because all I'm gonna do is just like try and make something happen when there's nothing, you know. Anyway, SP500, if I was to say anything, it's gonna go short. But obviously, maybe not on the first impulse, but could be looking for a short opportunity, another continuation. Like I said, guys, it might be part of a bigger correction. We'll get a bounce, no doubt, but we'll be looking for short setups on the SP500. And then GU, I have no flipping idea, but more than likely, I'll try to find a buy setup. Maybe. We'll see. Has been looking weak. We did get knocked out of the long trade that we was in yesterday, and I did mismanage this also because I was, you know, too worried about the SP500 escaping me. But right now, TJ just posted a video on Mark Douglas on the Discord. I'll check that out. Gold is down today. Yeah, thunder and lightning in the background. Yeah, the storm just sparked up now, like 50 minutes ago. It's mental out there. It's mental. So hopefully this internet connection doesn't get affected. Do not pick tops on gold. Yeah, 100%. Right now, you can't try to pick a top on gold for sure. Gold it's just been squeezing, Dane. Good evening, William. How you doing? A bit of degenerate stuff going on today, sir. You might not approve, but yeah, we're doing a little flip, £100. So I think that's around about $125. So it's zero or double. We'll see. Best tools you can use in a chart is a line. Okay, we've got 1 minute to go. I should be looking at a couple markets. Let's keep an eye on the SP. Who's about to press the button now? Who's about to press buttons? I hope this isn't like yesterday, or not yesterday. I hope this isn't like Wednesday when it was just so dry off Fed. Okay, 5 seconds. Okay, push up on GU. Not much reaction on the SP 500, but it's going down. Let's have a quick look at gold. Gold's pushing higher. So dollar bearishness, obviously. Let's have a look at the bloody news. Coming in weaker than expected. Unemployment rate is ticking up. So that's a very strong reminder that Fed should be cutting rates soon. So that should be bearish on the dollar. The SP 500, boy. Shell, what do you mean? You said sell. Didn't you just say sell? You said sell gold. I hope you're alright over there. NFP out. Yeah, 114. Yeah, that was a big very bad figure. Okay, we keep pushing lower on the SP 500. As soon as I started the stream, someone told me to sell gold, Dane. Yeah, you can't be getting in positions before NFP. If you're in a position and you manage it, cut your size, and you've got enough space, fair enough. If you've got strong conviction about the news, and you think that NFP is just going to propel your trade, yeah, then worth the risk. But getting in before NFP, not saying I haven't done it before, but yeah, not a bright idea. Stream is 6 minutes late. No lie, TJ. Ah, damn. Look at the comments, do the opposite. You'll be rich in no time. Nah, the comments is this. I know people are trolling just for like fun, you know what I mean? Guys, any news happen? Wait a minute. So can you guys, I don't know, the stream should only be delayed by about 30 seconds. That's about the standard on YouTube. Gold's gone kaput. Shell, NFPs happen already. CGU, it's just been so dry. We didn't even break 2800. We just tapped into it. So like getting into a long, which I would love to do, I don't think would be the best idea on the table. And then gold can keep pushing realistically to 25. And then the SP 500 can just keep pushing, really. Delayed about 15 seconds. Oh, thanks, Dane. Glad to hear that. I'm a bit worried about the storm outside, but I guess that don't really affect the fiber much. Yeah, that's lightning, Will. So yeah, just started in Manila. I don't know. GU looks weak. What's EU doing? GU might be a sell. I'm gonna give it a little bit of time, but it might actually be a sell. And then gold keeps going. And so does the SP 500. Stop loss 10 pips. Give it a min. I might short GU, so I might be flipping my bias here on GU. Looks kind of weak. Gold's just popped up. Gold keeps pushing higher. Looks like it wants to break for 25. Let's just wait. We're giving it about a good, give it about 5 minutes. Shell, are you good, fam? Shell, are you okay over there? Yeah, it should be long, but my bias is long. I mean, I want to buy, but it's just looking weak. Looks like it could just go lower. Fuck it. Just sold GU. I hope so. Wait, you don't have sufficient funds? What's going on? Oh, see, that's how you know I'm an amateur. So I just tried to sell GU and I don't have sufficient funds. What's this? Ah, guys. I thought I was calculating my risk, right? Alright, maybe we're gonna get another chance. Let's see. I just sent an order but insufficient funds, but it was only flipping 0.3 lots. So yeah, looks like, yeah, man, this the broker's good. It's regulated, it's nice and everything, but it's got trading view, but yeah, the leverage is not that great for flipping. And I just tried to execute short, just got rejected. Just for 0.2. Now it's kind of moving. Should I chase the move, guys? Just missed it. Looks like it wants to go lower. Alright, maybe we just missed it. We'll have to wait. I'm gonna be upset if I miss another trade today. You can't risk a mini lot. No, that's what I'm saying. It's not that great. You can't risk a mini lot. What do you mean, Duchess? Well, I have to risk one. You used to use micro lots. But this is a micro lot, right? Your margin is higher than your balance. But why is it... Oh, wait a minute. Damn, just missed this trade, it looks like. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, you're right. Huh? So you're telling me I can only risk... Nah. Let me just sell it, even though we're like 20 pips too late from where we should have shorted it. But that's rubbish. 1 to 30 axe. 1 to 30. What's this rubbish? I mean, it's a good broker, sure, but I don't. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I don't know what I'm. Like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing with the small accounts. You can risk a micro lot, but that, yeah, I just sold 0.02 lots. Is that all I can risk? Ah, guys. Yeah, should have gone for that. Should have got the higher leverage. Long it. I mean, I did want it to go short here. Damn. Your account is standard lock, Cassidy. But I just executed 0.2 just here. So that worked. Because if I say, for example, wait a minute. You can't flip on a regulated broker. I thought IC is regulated. I mean, I don't have IC, but this is, you can't flip on a regulated broker. Your account is standard account. That's why. Ah. Okay. Leverage should be 1 to 400. Ah. Damn. I didn't do the calculations properly, man. Add in a stop and the margin will be calculated. Okay, let me add in a stop. Create new order. Stop. Even on IC, you can only risk around 50%. So let's have a look at our margin. Current margin is 66. So yeah, you can't even like, you can't really flip this account. So how did, because I thought people just flipped $100 accounts and that was like normal. Yeah, maybe I should get an unregulated broker, because I don't like unregulated brokers. You know what I mean? It's not like they're gonna steal my £100, but you know, it's best to stay away from them. Maybe because I am looking to have a bigger personal account soon, like a couple thousand, to like try to take it seriously. But yeah, looks like it didn't go to plan, guys. But we'll keep our eye on the markets. I do have my futures account. So we could flip futures, but we'll have to think of something else. You need unregulated brokers, which is a red flag. Yeah, should have gone with Hanko Trade or one of these influencer brokers. Yeah, that's okay. We're down £2, guys. We're down a coffee in Starbucks. Some brokers change leverage during news though. Interesting. Maybe 1 to 30. Yeah, it's not possible to flip. You know what it is? I was doing my calculations of like a little while ago, and I thought with 1 to 30 I can buy. I think I messed up 1 decimal point. No, I haven't really tried to flip. The only account that I had was an Owanda account. I had like 500 quid in it, and I actually didn't lose it. I think it went down to like 400 quid, and I just gave up when I was like, what's this? Take it out. And then crypto, done a little bit of flipping in the early days on Prime XBT. But other than that, I've never tried to flip or anything. So yeah, lesson learned today. Can't flip with £100 on a regulated broker. A2 Shazzy, hey, how's the flip going? We're down $2. So I didn't have enough leverage to flip. Damn. But you know what, guys? Should I just close this trade and trade my my futures challenge? Because I kind of see that as the same thing. Like I could just trade my futures challenge. It just got renewed, so I could trade my futures challenge. And F it. Let me just flip that. You know what I'm saying? It's same thing. It's only like $40 or $50. Do you know what I mean? Should have thought of that yesterday, because I was logged in actually yesterday. Could have catched that. So yeah, I think I was trying to execute the short around here, so I would have been in a loss anyway. Now, so. Yeah, let me just close this anyway. This was a waste of time. And what was I gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm just gonna log into my I'm gonna log into my funded futures thing. Hopefully Hopefully my password don't show up on stream. But yeah, yeah, a bit of a disappointment, guys. Sorry, I should have knew better. But yeah, like I'm gonna get like a personal account, regulated broker, put a few thousand in it, and then trade it properly soon. So I might actually just top this account up and just trade it properly, and then get like another unregulated broker to flip from. What was he looking for? Okay, trade of it. Okay. Wait, hopefully. Wait, I don't want my password to show up yet, just in case. Let's see. Right. Plan B, guys. Plan B. Plan B, we've got a my funded futures 100k, 150k futures challenge. So, but yeah, let's see what the market's actually doing, because we're messing around a bit here. Where's my futures? Yeah, I think it is difficult to flip, definitely. I haven't tried it. I'm gonna get, you know what, next week gonna get this unregulated broker. Whatever one is good. Let me know, guys, and we'll do it. We'll do it again next week probably. Dane. Yeah, I just gave up on it because it wouldn't have been any fun. I mean, no leverage. So I just got out of it. It's like I wanted to be all or nothing, innit? So, you know, it's gonna be a bit dead if it's just a couple pound up and down. You know what I mean? How did I sell the low to the pip O's? I was trying to sell the. I was trying to sell it in a good place, but then the order got rejected. So then I just wanted to test it. That's why I sold it there, but I wasn't really planning to sell it from there. So I think the only thing I can be looking at is gold and oh my days. Gold's, oh no, this is futures. Yeah. I was about to say if we got 2500 on CFD. Good short on oil today. Never really traded oil. Get the Mamba FX broker. Yeah, why not? Why not? Have most influencers got their own brokers now? Okay, so we had a further sell-off on the ES SP500. I'm very skeptical that we're gonna bounce much here, so could be looking for a short. Any positions that are open? I was just trying to flip the $100 account, but I went with a regulated broker and I only had 1 to 30, and I didn't realize like exactly how much that was, and so yeah, had to postpone it basically. Yeah, I've got zero experience trading personal accounts really. But yeah, lesson learned. So I need to get an unregulated broker to actually try and do a flip. go along on BTC earlier. I thought it was gonna fly, but lost. Lesson learned. Yeah, the important thing is lesson learned, brother. Indices remain bearish. Gold's gonna test 2480. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. No W's yet. But I've just loaded up a futures account, 150k challenge. And I shouldn't be trying to flip this really, but if you think about it, it's like, it's the same price, you know, $50. So I should have been try XNES. So yeah, I guess we're 40 minutes away from the US Open. More than likely gonna get a trade. Look for a trade then. Not much movement on the NFP like we was suspecting, because we've had huge moves. So yeah, not much volatility on NFP. Gold has broken new levels though, so that's interesting. Do you think? I'm not used to looking at the futures chart on gold, but let me just have a quick look on the CFD chart. And I wonder, the highest close, does it want to close? So already above the highest close, which is around 2469. So possibly we're going to, maybe we're going to close higher today, going to get a new all-time high. So could be, so yeah, equities look super bearish. Let's have just a quick look. And we have entered correction territory on the NQ. We've entered correction territory in the NQ, so that's down 10%. So it's closing in correction territory today, more than likely. That would make sense. And like I was saying yesterday, before we had that huge dump and I was hesitating right at the flipping top, I was saying that we're going to be in for a bigger correction more than likely. This ain't the end of it. This ain't the end of it. This ain't the end of it. So if we don't recover 18,800 today, we're going to be closing in correction territory today on the NQ. Let's have a quick look on ES. ES might not be in correction territory yet. Nah, we're far from correction territory on the ES. Far from it. Still got a way to go. Markets pricing in 3 cuts until the end of the year. Yeah, I mean, with that disappointing NFP number, and then unemployment rate spiking up, I think that's quite a surprise. And yeah, could be more cuts than expected this year if the data keeps on disappointing. But yeah, look, 150k futures challenge I got loaded up right now. It's a fresh one. And we'll have to wait and see if there's a good opportunity, but gonna try flip it. You know what I'm saying? We'll see. Just recovering 5400. We're half an hour away from the open. I'm not very used to looking at futures charts. I know it's the same thing, but it's just different numbers that I've been tracking for like if you're on CFD, then these numbers are like, they're not the same. And like that's what I've been looking at for the past 3-4 weeks or since forever. So it's always like a little bit off-putting. Trump doesn't want the Fed to cut interest rates, TJ. He probably does. Probably does. He does want a strong dollar. He does talk about having a strong dollar. Yo, Mike Star. You missed all the action. I just flipped 100 to 1,000. No, I'm just joking. Plan B, guys. Plan B. The little personal account weren't enough for us to flip. It was low leverage, and yeah, it wasn't gonna work. Was gonna miscalculation on my part. But yeah, we'll try it again with like a higher leverage broker maybe next week. Hey Tai, how you doing? I think I really need to go back to the lower time frames for today. What's up, Isaac? How you doing? Big drop on 2-year yield. Big drop on 2-year yield. Pound's starting to pump up now. That would have been my personal account blown. Oh. Yeah, but it looks like it's finally finding some bullishness. Not the 1M. Yeah, Tai. I've stayed away for a long time, but I do miss it. The 1M's calling me. No, I don't know. I haven't been trading today. I had to take a break after yesterday, so I didn't trade London session. We missed this just completely just crazy move yesterday, and I was a little bit pissed off about it. And it looks like it can go further, to be fair, but we'll wait until the US Open. What can you trade on a futures account compared to a normal CFD account? Are you talking about assets? You can trade all the big assets. You can still trade currencies. Well, like just the major ones. Just pound, euro, yen, oil, gold. You don't already have that many options. Yeah, 100% Tai. Yeah, just have to come into next week with more of a game plan in terms of stepping up my risk and having more confidence in myself. Because I have been very I guess like of course I'm self-conscious about taking a big loss on stream or being wrong, you know. And yeah. Oil or CL is trending ticker, you got to try it. Yeah, it's just that I don't really understand the fundamentals too much. Celerity. So I have never really tried oil. So I just tend to stick to what I know. ES, well not ES, SP 500, gold and GU, and occasionally Bitcoin. Speed. I was trying to use a regulated broker, one here in the UK, but it's got very small leverage. So I just found out that I can't really do an account flip today because I can't really buy any size. So yeah, for me to do an account flip, I probably need to go to an unregulated broker, which I might do next week. So NFP flip postponed. But we've got a 150k My Futures challenge, which the subscription just renewed yesterday. So if there is a good opportunity, I'm just gonna go all in. You use IG for personal, Tata. What's IG like? I know they're like basically a household name. But in terms of leverage, I guess they're the same, like 1 to 30 max. Looks like the storm has quietened down. It was going ballistic earlier. Rain, thunder. Archie looking for a long on gold. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea. Or do we go long finally on the pound? I'm not even too sure how to trade a pound contract. I don't know. Maximum leverage on IG markets 1 to 50, mostly 1 to 30. Yeah. A lot of good insights. Let me just go back to my normal chart for a second, guys. So yesterday came right up into the gap, sold off crazy. We're still down about 1.45%, so it's just been a straight continuation, and it's obviously very bearish. Not too clear on GU. Has been messing me around for a while now. Could be going bullish, but let's see what the price action looks like above 128. So, is everybody done with NFP then? So everybody's out of their trades. Who caught a W? Who caught the L? Wasn't very impactful, which is not surprising given the week we've had. Bad numbers though, very bad numbers. Got DXY firmly below 104, which we've been waiting for. So this could be, EG keeps on pumping higher, so that would make pound way more sluggish than EU. That seems to be breaking out of this structure here. And then euro, that must, euro's just going. Euro's going. How far is euro gone since NFP? So we're up about 60 pips on the euro. That's quite a lot. That's pumping. What's the name of the music? It's called Closer. Closer, just Closer by Bethel Music. It's copyright free, and I do like it, but I need to change it up soon. No trade, Archie. No trade's better than a loss. Don't worry. I don't really have a clear read on the market at the moment. We've had disappointing numbers. SP 500 has extended a lot, so it's difficult to find a short setup. But I don't have I've got a bearish bias on the SP 500, of course. From yesterday. GU was trying to catch along last session, but still continue weakness. Came all the way back down, made new lows, stayed above 2700. Now we're seeing some strength, but it's questionable. EU's blasting forward, so that's looking very strong. Not sure. I can trade EU and GU on futures, but I'm not too familiar with the contract sizing and how much per point, etc. So I'm trying to look for a trade, preferably on ES or gold, but they are just very extended. Gold's coming down a little bit. But I wouldn't be trying to short it for now. Lesson learned. Yeah, I've relearned and learned again, Archie. I think we all have. Like up the stream, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, so we're about 20 minutes away from the open, hoping something develops or some setup develops. And I might just try flip this futures account. We'll see. That's the problem with these futures evaluations. They're so cheap that I don't know if it encourages people to get degenerate on them. But I promise you guys a bit of fun. So that personal account didn't go to plan because of the leverage. Difficult to try catch along here though. Probably gonna need to give it some time. Need to give it some time to develop further. Hey Aiden, how you doing? How's trading been this week? Not too bad. We're like positive on the FTMO challenge. I can't remember where we started. We're about 4.2% there. Missed a lot of good opportunities yesterday on stream. Crazy missed opportunity on the SP500 short. And yeah, mismanaged some opportunities throughout this time streaming. So yeah, been saying I need to reevaluate and come back with a better game plan. You know, get more confident. So that's what I need to do. But right now, we was just trying to flip a little personal account because I mentioned last week we're gonna have some fun on Friday NFP. But the personal account is a regulated broker and it's only 1 to 30 leverage. And I just did my calculations wrong, and then I didn't even tried to execute a trade, didn't get filled. I was like, what's going on? Then filled, and it was only moving around like couple dollars here and there. And I was like, nah, this is not going to be any fun. So we've put that plan on hold. I've just got my Forex fund, not my Forex, my funded futures evaluation subscription renewed yesterday. So we got 150k futures challenge, and we're probably just gonna flip that. Do you know what I mean? And see how it goes. But NFP, relatively muted response, I guess, because we've had such a very crazy volatile week. But you know, the numbers are very clear. You know, jobs weakness, unemployment rate ticking up. So this was way above expectation. So looking very bearish, looking like, you know, the Fed will be taking that into account and possibly having more rate cuts this year than previously planned. And we'll see how this gets priced into the market. We're 15 minutes away from the US Open, and we'll look for a setup. But literally did not look at the charts today because of yesterday. I just wanted to not trade London session. Yeah, so fresh eyes on the market. Not too sure on direction. Obviously, still bearish on the SP500, long term, medium term. Are we going to get a bounce? Could do very easily, but we'll be careful. We'll be careful here. Might have to scalp a little bit. Might have to scalp because we might not get much of a range today. We've had an incredible range this week on indexes. Not so much on GU, which is what I was trading. GU's just been a mess. Barely moving. Let's have a quick look at GU, what it's doing. It's moving now though. It's moving now. Now it wants to move without me. Let's see. You just passed phase 1 on NZUSD. Nice. That was the swing trade you was in from how long ago? Ages ago, right? Yeah, Aiden. At least green for the week. I gotta be grateful for that. Yeah, definitely. But yeah, just need to come back there next week. Good news, Duchess. Good news. Good news. Love to hear it. So you had strong conviction on the trade and you held it. How many pips? W Gold in the chat. Oh, it's coming down. Let's try to keep an eye on 2 charts at one time. It's a bit annoying that GU wants to turn long now. In the trade 4 days, 1 to 4, but scaled in. Nice, nice, nice. I'd love to be a swing trader. Stress-free life, eh? Swing trading. Not completely, of course, but it's just a much better lifestyle, I guess, than scanning the 5-minute chart, trying to make something happen. You still got a bit of time until the open. Yeah, I was thinking, Ishak, that would be a good idea for me to try out swing trading on a personal account, given that you don't have a whole lot of leverage anyway. That would be very ideal. So there's definitely, I can definitely look for longer term moves. A lot of trades that I execute end up going further. So it's just a question of patience and also holding it through the news, which is something that I don't really do. But if you're swinging it, then you can. Yeah, that's a good take, Ishak. I can imagine it does take patience and discipline for sure, because you kind of got to manage that trade over a longer period of time and resist those those impulses to change it or to cut it short. You gotta give it patience. And then just Aaron, am I in the trade right now? No, Aaron, was trying to do the flip earlier, but I didn't really calculate it properly because we had I was using a regulated broker, leverage only 1 to 30, so I was wondering why I couldn't execute the trade, but I didn't have enough money in the account. So wouldn't have been fun anyway. So gonna probably come back with a unregulated broker to try to flip. But right now, instead, we've loaded up a futures challenge that the futures challenge that I had before that renewed yesterday. So looking for a setup. I mean, would have been beautiful to catch this short yesterday on the SP500. Beautiful. That would have passed the futures challenge easy. But we'll see. We'll see what happens today. And the reason I wasn't trading in London because of exactly missing out on yesterday. That's going to make me more come into the session more aggressive, trying to look for a trade, trying to push something. So usually when I make a mistake or make some mistakes or hesitate, or if I'm feeling unbalanced because of something, I try and not trade the next session, or even not look at the markets, which is what I've done today. So I haven't been looking at the markets. But now we're just being patient, seeing if something sets up. I've got to be mindful that we might not get a big range today because the week has been super active. So we can't really expect some big moves. So might do a couple scalps, something like that. We'll see. Why on earth would I deliberately go with an unregulated broker? To do the flip, Nathan. Not to trade on it long term, of course not. That's why, I've got a regulated broker that I opened the account with, one here in the UK. But yeah, I just didn't realize it was not enough leverage because there's only £100 in it. But it will be fine for me to put a few thousand in it, or like 2,000, which was what I was planning to do, and just trade it normally. So I have been saying I'm going to do that. Now I've already opened the account. I'm probably going to top it up and then start trading with the personal account because it's long overdue. Long overdue. You missed your gold buy limit by a pip, Axe. You trying to buy gold? Not too clear on gold either. If you know what you're doing, leverage is not bad. Yeah, I know, but with obviously with a personal account, you don't have much money, right? So to flip it, you're gonna need a lot of leverage, of course. But if you're trading with a personal account, I guess you should still try and, I don't know, my plan is to only risk 2-3% because it will be my first proper experience trying to scale a personal account. So I shouldn't go all in, even though it's not much. It's still a lot to me, like £2,000 or whatever I'm going to put in it. That's still a lot of money to me. So I don't want to just burn it all in one go. So I will be trying to trade it conservatively to see. Just want to see how I behave on it, see if I can be more consistent, or if I trade differently on it. Might be swing trading. So yeah, let's wait until the New York Open, Archie. Physical gold or BTC, long-term investment, which are you picking? Good question. Good question. There's more upside. There's going to be more upside on BTC, of course. Potentially. Gold, you're always safe though. Sorry, pardon me. Six minutes until the open. Let's see if we get some new direction here. Happy Tail says Rolex. BTC only has 21 million, yeah, and they've already made 20 million of it, I'm guessing, and half of that 21 million, or maybe like 30% of that, is already lost, meaning like they're stuck in a wallet that nobody can get. So that's already means the supply is way less than that. And BTC has proven itself as an asset. It's not going to go down to zero. That's for sure. Thoughts on the state of the UK currently in terms of what's going on over there? Yeah, it's a bit of a mess. The world's in a mess. But that's another conversation, bro. Okay, couple minutes to the open. Let me just get my normal chart. UK is depressing, happy tile. Sunny weather out there though, no? At least the sun's out. It's better weather in the UK right now than it is here, I'll tell you that. Hands, is it better trading futures? I don't have much experience on futures. I've already blown a couple of these. So I'm still like learning the ropes. But it does make sense. The model is good. Being able to buy evaluations for cheaper, being able to activate it after you pass, those are definitely advantages. And I think you got more than enough size to play with. The trailing drawdown with Apex probably is not a good one. It's more trickier. But if you've got end of day drawdown, good opportunity in futures. I want to get more into it. I've just been focused on FTMO, that one challenge that I've got, and 2 minutes until the open. $26 with the windows open. 26 degrees in the UK is hot, but 26 degrees in the Philippines is cold. But I know what you mean. Sometimes summer with UK, you only get like a really hot summer for a few weeks, and then after, it just gets cold again. Storage security is the main thing with gold and BTC hard wallet. Yeah, easy to move around BTC. Gold, I mean, small amounts, sure, but that's with BTC, you know, it is a utility. You can move it around in seconds, really. If your hard wallet's stolen, they cannot get your BTC unless they have the C codes. But Aiden, I don't really understand too much. But if they steal your hard wallet, is that it? Because you can't get your wallet back, so you've lost it as well. Or can you somehow, I don't know, log back into your hard wallet? Okay, so had the US Open. Why are you vexed, Dax? We're gonna get another green candle. Ah, missed your limit. Was that a gold buy axe? You missed the dip. Hey Rokaz, how you doing? Glad you found us. Nothing much happening yet. We got our eyes open. You can recover crypto if you got the seed codes. Okay. Candle's turning red again. Wait, man, get me on futures quickly. A cash P&L on my funded trades. I'm not funded yet, bro, but I can pull up the FTMO account. We're about 4.2%. I didn't trade it today. Not after yesterday missing out that trade. I just thought I didn't want to come into the London session being greedy. So yeah, still on 4.2%, and just gonna leave the challenge for today. But we've got the my funded futures challenge loaded up. Yes, Joe, no, I didn't flip because the personal account didn't have any leverage. I kind of miscalculated what I could do with it. It was a regulated broker, so I didn't end up flipping it. I tried to execute an order, didn't get filled. I was like, what's going on? So we've just got this futures challenge, and we're just remaining patient and then seeing what the market shows us. Look for sales on GU. GU's just been annoying for me this last week. Didn't want to move anywhere. And I'm about done with GU for this week. Seems to be pushing higher, finally. Also, guys, quick question because I was editing a video earlier, kind of like behind the scenes kind of stuff, day in the life kind of stuff, and I've got some snippets of the streams on there from this week. So do you guys mind if the chat is in the video? Just wanted to check that with you guys. I'm sure it's fine, but I just thought of that now. So if the chat is in like the normal video kind of thing, the snippets from the stream. So if anybody doesn't want their name in the video, or like if just by chance the chat is in those snippets, let me know and I won't put it there. Getting the ES bounce back up now. Okay, cool. Good to know. Yeah, I need to. It's been a while since I made a video, so gonna try to get one out this Sunday. ES is bouncing back a bit. EG's come down a bit. Why has EG come down? Do day in the life of foreigner in Manila, eat some street foods. No, I'm not turning into one of them travel bloggers. Come trade from Uganda. I've been to one country in Africa, but I'd like to travel more. JB, any positions open? Nah. Nah. Because I was trying to do a little personal account flip earlier, just like a little flip challenge. But I got like a regulated broker, so there wasn't enough leverage in it. There's only 1 to 30, so we abandoned that, and now I'm not trading the FTMO challenge today. Haven't been trading today, so now we've transitioned from doing the flip to I've got my futures challenge renewed and just gonna flip this. But if something sets up, but it's the end of the week. It's been a very action-packed week, and we might not see any decent moves. 400 USD monthly expenses. Nice. Come Kenya. Kenya, I heard, is nice. I've had friends go Kenya. Uganda as well is quite cool. Hey Philip, how you doing? No, I haven't switched to futures, but I had this subscription already. But it just renewed yesterday, and like I was saying, the personal account flip, we can't do that today because we didn't have enough leverage. Hey Henry, thanks for dropping by. Good to see you here. Hey Mister, hope to see you here in Manila. Yeah, we'll probably plan a meetup soon. Oh yeah, don't forget guys, the Discord link, the Discord invite is in the description. You're welcome to join. There's even a Philippines chat in there, so people that are local to the Philippines or planning to come to the Philippines can connect there. Philip, week's not too bad. Positive in the green. Could have been better though. Made some errors. Missed out on some big opportunities, especially yesterday. Can't find any setup on gold right now. Yeah, it just looks a bit mixed, like not sure where it wants to go. Not very clear on the market today. I've had a big dump down in yields, broken through 4%. You know, the funny thing is, Philip, I need to be able to accept losing the challenge. I was thinking about it the other day. I've been so passive and so conservative, and I've allowed, like, like yesterday's a good example. I took some small losses in the morning. Kept my wrist small as usual, but then came into the stream being passive and not very. And I hesitated on a huge trade. Which I had conviction on. So it's kind of like I need to be able to I need to be willing to lose this challenge. And I've been trading it like I'm not willing to lose this challenge. Maybe I'm a bit conscious that I'm on stream and I have to trade a bit differently, or like I'm a bit. Of course, that's gonna play a bit of a factor, but I need to be able to like say, yeah, you know what, I could lose the challenge. Like I should. That way, I'll trade better. If I can just be okay with just taking bigger losses. But so far, I'm just like more worried that if bigger losses are gonna put me off balance, which they do, but I need to get better at being more confident, being more aggressive, and having more conviction in my trading ideas, because there's been plenty of opportunities for me to pass the challenge already many times, but I haven't managed the trades correctly, or I haven't had enough size on it, or whatever the case might be. So I know I keep saying, I'm going to go back and I'm going to reflect, I'm going to think about it over the weekend. And I usually say that, but really got to reevaluate my game plan. And if that means that I don't want to spend I've already been in this phase one for a while now. So I don't want to spend, and I'm only trading one challenge. So it's kind of like, I need to step up my game at one point. And that includes being able to lose the challenge, which is something that I seem to be avoiding too much. That strategy is expensive at FTMO. The challenges are hard price. I would suggest going futures trading challenges. Yeah, I hear you. But yeah, it's just I will try to get into futures, but it's not like I'm not the type of person to like trade like loads of prop firm accounts. I did that once already in January, traded that 1 million in prop firm challenges all at once, and I just wasn't ready for it. So, but I mean, like I need to try and trade a couple challenges at a time, maybe have one a bit more aggressive, etc. But where I've just trading this one challenge on stream, I'm conscious about being wrong. I'm conscious about taking big losses, and that's going to throw me off balance, etc. That's kind of affected my game to the point where, yes, I'm more patient, and I'm finding the correct trading ideas quite often at the right time. But A, not having enough size on, B, mismanaging it, C, getting out too early, and so I just need to make some adjustments there. It's a bit slow. Why am I looking at two gold charts for? I don't know if you want to push higher on the ES. What's up, Farrell? Becca. I'm on a futures challenge at the moment. Andrea, do I take news trades? Not before the news. Not like after the news when it settles down, and if I see a setup, yeah, of course, it's good to trade the news that way. Or if I'm in a position and I've got enough space and I adjust my size, then I'll hold a trade during news too, if I have conviction that the news will propel my trade further. But yeah, if you mean like just taking a punt at the news, no. Thinking about getting short here. Don't want to hesitate like yesterday, but it's still not very clear to me yet. I think we could at least push back out one, and at least see another push back up. Hey Gogo, how you doing? It didn't happen, Gogo, because I had the personal account, but it was such low leverage. When I tried to execute the trade, didn't get filled, and then yeah, I did a miscalculation. I didn't realize that I couldn't flip it, so I was a bit silly. I should have known. So maybe gonna try with unregulated broker next NFP. Who knows? But for now, we've got this futures challenge loaded up. We're still quite down on the ES. Akash, do you think there's people that make like 100k per month from forex trading? Of course. Might not make 100k on the dot every month, but on average, possible. If you're talking like us retail traders, then that's a very, 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 very small percentage. But yeah, definitely possible. Just buy a 10k FTMO for 89 euros instead of flipping. I already got a 100k FTMO challenge that I'm doing at the moment. So yeah, that whole idea was to, because I never trade personal, right? So I just thought I would test it out. But yeah, been trading props from the beginning, so time to try other things like futures, personal account. Let's have a quick look what else is going on. GU keeps pushing higher. Yeah, it's it was like 1 to 30 leverage, so wasn't going to be able to double or triple it. Looks like we're moving down on ES. Just got my ACG challenge. They always got a discount. Yeah, I don't think about discounts first when it comes to prop firm challenges, to be fair. It is attractive, of course, and it does help. Last year I was buying, the funded trader, for example, so those discounts helped because it does ease your psychology when you haven't spent too much on a challenge. So it does help, but in the state of the game right now, I'm staying away from any prop firm that's offering like 30, 40, 50% discounts. Like, I don't want to know. I'd rather have like certainty that I'll get paid out after, the hard work that you put in. Hey, Carnivore Trader. Yeah, haven't started the challenge yet. I've tried a few, but still getting used to it. I think I need to take it seriously. But that said, I was just saying that I was planning to flip a personal account, which didn't work because of leverage, and now I'm flipping a futures account, but maybe not a good idea. Maybe I should save it for next week. Yeah, like a lot of moves have happened in the market. I don't know if it's worth me trying to make something happen. Don't really have a clear read right now on where we're going. And they don't return your fee like FTMO does. Yep. Yeah, that's true as well. FTMO still gives refunds. Most prop firms don't. And those refunds are nice when you get them. ACG also has a good reputation. Yeah, don't know too much about them. They did look really good before. But yeah. No, I'm not trading my FTMO account, Faisal, because I was just like, I just didn't want to trade it today because I was a bit conscious that, because I hesitated on that short on SP500 yesterday, I didn't want to come into the London session trying to find something. I know what I'm like. I know what my personality is like. I was pissed off yesterday because I hesitated on the short and it ended up being a huge move. So I thought, I'm not gonna trade my FTMO account today. I'll just come back with a clear head next week. And I was planning to just do the flip anyway. Yesterday I was down 70% on my account and thought about quitting trading, but when I saw your old videos, I felt motivated to get back into the game. I appreciate you, KP. I'm glad they help, and thank you, man. That means a lot. Fuck it. Just went long one contract on ES. Man, I miss Jollibee when I was there. Manila, so good. There's not even I haven't even had Jollibee yet. I haven't even had Jollibee yet. This might be a quick L. Let's see. Maybe I'm just trying to force something to happen. Zach Monlight, how you doing? Haven't seen your name in a while. That's a loss. Yeah, could be. Could be. I guess with the account flip that I was planning to do, where that didn't work out, maybe I'm just taking this trade out of boredom. But yeah, I think it's not a great trade. Man, your SL is my TP zone. You're fading me. We're always fading each other. Go. Mark, you're already short at JP25. Oh, okay. I never JP25, is that the Japanese index? Didn't know they were still trading now. Well, I never really hear about people trading the Japanese index, to be fair. But yeah, I guess this trade was shit. Definitely looks like I'm gonna get stopped out. Damn, that was fast. No. Yeah. I don't know. I just think, yeah, probably not on point today. Probably just done that out of boredom. We'll try to keep streaming. I will keep streaming. But I just think, yeah, this stream was a write-off because of the personal account. And yeah, I just took a loss for no reason on this features challenge. But it's all good. It's all good. That was a silly trade. TP here. I helped you, didn't I? I helped you. I put a trade there and it had to come stop me out. So your TP gets it. I'm glad somebody won. But yeah, breaking down further. Damn. Stupid trade. And I was looking at shorts as well. Yo, Aaron. Yeah, share it on Discord, man. And pounds grinding higher. Yeah, this just going down like it was meant to. I don't know why I just took that trade, man. IB liquidity. Yeah, join it, Zach. I remember your name from ages ago. Haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, that's what I get for taking a trade out of boredom. And I was talking about taking a short around here, and then I changed my mind just to make something happen. Where's my FTMO account? Yeah, I still got my FTMO account. It's still sitting at the same. I haven't traded it today, but because I was a bit pissed off yesterday for missing the big short on the SP 500 yesterday. So I was just conscious that I didn't want to come in the London session trying to make something happen. So I just left it. I purposely left the FTMO account alone today. I was going to do the little small account flip, but yeah, no leverage. And then I loaded up this futures challenge, I guess to just do something. But yeah, just not really having a clear read of what's going on. And I probably shouldn't be trading. So I probably yeah, probably shouldn't gamble it like I would the personal account. Yeah, just Aaron. I'm not really. I don't know. I guess I'm just not really focused at the moment. We'll see. Should I just blow this? Right there, down somewhere, bro. That's another mistake. That's also used to making placing trades out of nowhere. Let's fix that, bro. Yeah, of course, bro. Of course. It's just I guess it was just how I planned the stream, and then enough that I couldn't get a personal account going. Then I was like, I need to do something. And then, like when you're sitting at the screen for too long, and yeah, I just need to yeah. Normally I'm focused, but maybe done. Yeah, TJ. Maybe I should just be done for the day. Still, it's been okay. It's been a positive week on the FTMO account. So yeah, got some things to think about for next week. Come back better. Come back more on point. What's the drawdown limit on that futures account? It's 4.5. Okay, so that's quite a big loss, I guess. That's what I'm saying. It's like I'm not really that smart with the futures account. So I probably but yeah, still catching some momentum to the downside. Bro, are you running the AC in that room? Yeah. I think I don't know why the light is. You're right. I didn't notice that. But no, just I think it's the light on the webcam. Yeah, again, you know what? I was thinking of going short and hesitating up here. So this is another example of just like reactive trade. Just like, I missed the trade here. Oh damn, let me just go long and do something. You know what I mean? Damn. Another thing that's looking okay is another thing that I've been keeping an eye on, that maybe we are gonna get a bit further with pound, maybe. I don't know. Still early. I don't know. Maybe I'm just being I think I'm being. Should have saw this. Wait for a pullback then short. Probably not a bad idea. Nah, maybe I should just take this seriously and just save this account for next week. You know what I mean? I think that'll be the better idea. And just call it a day. Because I don't really have a good read on the market. Where I wasn't trading today, it's like I don't really have a good read. Well, I was thinking we was gonna go lower, but yeah, just didn't execute on it, and it's just. It's Friday as well. Yeah, it's true. Just save it, Aaron. Yeah, everything's moved. Yep. Yeah. Exactly. That one. I mean, that's what I was saying. Well, that was the situation I was stuck in yesterday, Mark. Did I see EU? No. Has it just been going nuts? Yeah, I know. It's been pumping crazy, Duchess. Then GU, sorry, not GU. Yeah, GU's just still pumping. Do I even have a strat? You trade, just executing on trades on intuition. JB, maybe I'm doing that today. So maybe I'll just call it a day. Not clued in. Place no trades today, that's still a win. Yeah. When price was rechasing, you could have taken soups for sure. What soups? Not sure if there'll be another move like this. Aaron, I know that, bro. Like, yesterday on stream, I was calling the top of the bloody move yesterday and just hesitated. So it's like anything I do with the SP5, anything I did with the SP500 today was going to be terrible. Do you know what I mean? So that's why I didn't trade today, because I was like, I've already like missed too much. Tai, what's no? What happened? I took a bad trade, yeah. But it's all good. Massive sell-off in the worsening US economy. Yeah, very bad numbers. Very bad numbers. Yeah, I don't know. I'm very hesitant as well today, as well. No, Exor, no. It's a futures challenge that renewed yesterday. I blew it in the past, but just it's like a monthly subscription. So I just, cause we didn't trade the flip account because of leverage. I just thought, let me just load this up and play with it, but I already took one loss for no reason. So I think I should just call it a day. Market's just already gone. Yeah, NFP's definitely over. Go. So I'll be like, this opportunity's gone really. Don't really have a clear read on gold. Been bullish on it. Caught the bloody bottom of the whole move on stream last week. Or was it last week? Yeah. Wish I held it. But yeah, I've mismanaged so many trades recently. And yeah, like today, anything I'm doing is just, I don't know if I'm just compensating for that. But yeah, nothing here for me, man. I think, what time is it? Let's see. Opportunity came after open. Yeah, Cowboy, I was looking at it but hesitant and just didn't really know what I was doing. I was looking at it saying, I think I want to take a short. Didn't take the short, ended up taking a long like an idiot, and now it's gone short. And then everything else is kind of like pushed. There's not really any move there. Yeah, Mark. Shorts will be tempting, but yeah, it's hard to be shorting. It wants to close above all-time highs, if anything. I mean, we're already all-time highs on futures. One minute for 4 years. Yeah, I've been on the 1 minute for a while as well. Off it now. Difficult to break through 2483. Yeah, I'm just scrolling and there's nothing for me at the moment. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Sorry we didn't get the personal account flip going today. Miscalculation. Been a long week, I think. Still ended up positive, but a lot of things that I need to work on. I know I keep saying it, but again, thank you guys for hanging out. Appreciate each and every single one of you. Have a great weekend. Done trading for the week. Market's already done left me, so I'll catch you guys next week. Love.